Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Pisces, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, Pisces. So these are for your general energies, Pisces. If you want more clarity, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general energy. So let's see what are these cards. We have Prophetess of Moons, Ace of Spheres in reverse, and Cardinal of Stars in reverse. So in your situation, guys, Pisces, it may be in your personal life, in this relationship, or in your career situation. Maybe today you are someone who is impulsive. You want to do something, rush towards something without thought, and maybe you are making some rash decisions in your work, or it may be in your personal life. So people around you may see you as someone taking a lot of risks. But if you want to be successful, if you want things to proceed in a positive way in your situation, Pisces, you must go for a more thoughtful attitude, more restrained attitude, character you should be in, and you should let all that aggressive nature of yours or impulsive actions not overtake your right decisions. So if you want to make a positive progress in life, you have to think clearly, then go proceed in that appropriate way, guys. And maybe today in your situation there is someone here ready to help you. So this person has true concern on you, guys, and they are here to help you out. And you may see your situation as something good, something profitable. You may be seeing lucrative business deals or offers, or some good choices in your work situation or in your relationship. You may see this relationship as a working relationship, something positive. But you need to be careful, guys. Maybe certain offers or opportunities are just rushing towards you, and it is something extremely good, giving you unexpected returns beyond your imagination, and you are happy for it, happy for the way things are. But this success or prosperity should not influence your attitude today, guys. So you need to be very careful today, Pisces. So you should not taken up by the prosperity you are enjoying today. You need to understand that there are people who have helped you all along the way for you to reach the success. So you should not forget their help and guidance. And there is a good friend who has helped you. So this friend has helped you a lot in your life, in your work, or in your relationship. They have been your moral support and guidance. So you should never forget this person, guys, and they are someone whom you can rely on in any times of crisis or stress, Pisces. So that is the energy with these cards, guys, Pisces, for you all. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, guys, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Pisces. For your love reading, guys, today we have two cards. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep the second card aside. We will see what is the card for you all today. Not for you. So with this card, guys, it just means that maybe this relationship or this connection is not meant to be. So some relationships carry an innate seed of failure right from the beginning, and you need not feel sad or stressed. You need to understand that rejection is God's way of protection. So when something is denied to you, however hard you make efforts, some things may not go right and you may see failure in that. You need to understand that maybe it is not meant to be. That is the reason it is not manifesting, and there are much better things on its way towards you, and you can be happy for that, guys. And you need to trust this and understand that rejection is God's protection today for you. So in a relationship, sometimes when it is not meant to be, however hard you try or whatever you do, things will not go up to expectation. And maybe right from the beginning, you may have an understanding that this connection may not work. You may have an intuition, or sometimes you may not observe things in this way. But if this relationship is meant to be, it will proceed towards the positive way, guys. But if it is not, if you are rejecting or if that person is rejecting, it is good for both of your sakes, guys, because for each and every person there is a proper match here, and this person may not be the best one for you, guys. So you need to understand that, and you need not feel worried. There is a best fit waiting for you. So you just need to have trust today, guys. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. This card for y'all, for those who chose this card. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who chose this crystal and the second card, we have fairies, words. So with this card, it just means that in our circumstances today, guys, you need to be really careful what you speak, and you need to be really careful of the thoughts you have and the words we speak to people. It has a great impact in their life, guys. So that does not mean that we have to flatter someone to make them happy, go for that falsehood. It does not mean that. It just means that in each and every situation, we should speak with honesty and with the beauty of ourselves. So what inner beauty we have, our words should come from that kindness and from that compassion. And when we speak words of kindness, you need not think of anything else. You will surely be rewarded today. And when you do good things for others, your good deeds will always be reciprocated, guys. May not be today, but the rewards will surely reach you for whatever good you are doing to the people. It may be a stranger or it may be a friend, to whomever you do something good, it is going to come back to you. And when you speak kind words, you are enriching yourself with more beauty and kindness. So that is the energy here, guys. So maybe in some situation today, you are doing things the right way, not for the sake of someone praising you or appreciating you, just for the truth and honesty, and for the beautiful soul you have. So you are doing the right things for the sake of the right thing, not for anything else. So maybe in your situation, something demands this action on your part, and you are moving ahead with honesty, guys. So that is what I see with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.